Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica. If you're new here, I do videos on motherhood, lifestyle, family, DIY, a little bit of travel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a grocery haul. This is a week's worth of groceries for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So there are 15 meals all together. This is the first time I've done a big shop in person in ages. I've been having my groceries delivered for a really long time. But because we're in Milan at the moment and we're in kind of like a rented accommodation, it's just easier to pop out and grab everything. So I'm exhausted. It's super hot. We had paper bags. One of the bags like broke open in the hallway. So I'm just really keen to just go through this and show you what I got. And I'm also going to tell you the meals that I got so that you can see what we're going to be eating this week. And I'm going to link some of the recipes as well down below in the description box. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through everything I got. This, like I said, is for 15 meals altogether, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for Monday through Friday of next week. I've kind of grouped it by meal and by kind of produce and meat so you can see what we got. But let's just go ahead and start with breakfast. So obviously breakfast for me is going to consist a lot of avocados. I've got 5 avocados all together. I've got these 4 right here and then this really gigantic one. I've had this one already and it is really tasty, so I wanted to have another little extra treat. So I'll use this to make avocado toast in the morning, and I'm also going to be doing some kind of like Southwest burrito bowls as well, which I'm going to use that for. I've gotten 10 eggs because they come by 10 here, and then I've got 3 huge packs of mushrooms, sliced mushrooms. Now obviously this is tons of packaging. They didn't have any other big packs and they didn't have any loose mushrooms, so I just kind of had to get these. And then I've got this kind of 100% vegetable like spread of sorts. Now it is dairy free, but it is not entirely soy free, so I probably won't use that as much. And then moving right on into the veggies that I got. So I've got the asparagus, I've got some yellow and red peppers, I've got a bag of lemons, some zucchini, 2 tomatoes, and a cucumber, which looked pretty sad, to be honest. This is like the least bad of the bunch. And then in terms of kind of like bread and wraps, we've got some wraps down below and some seeded bread. Now this is dairy and soy free, so it's really nice actually. And then we don't need pretty much any pasta this week, so I'm just going to be doing like an orzo type dish, which I'll explain in a second. So I got some risoni, which is kind of like a similar to orzo, and then I got some sliced turkey. And then in terms of meat, besides the turkey, I got 2 packs of chicken breast and I got 2 steaks as well. And then herbs, I got what I think is coriander. Does it look like coriander, to be perfectly honest? So I'm not sure if I got the right thing. I didn't look up what this means in English, but we'll see. I'll look it up after if that does mean coriander. But in any case, I got some fresh basil, and then I got 2 bags of rocket, and then 2 big packs of cherry tomatoes. Now I did also get a couple of things in addition to that. We picked up some wine and some prosecco, but we got some water and some nappies. Now we don't usually use bottled water like this. We have a soda stream, but we just haven't brought ours over from London just yet. So that's pretty much all we got. As you can see, lots of good ingredients to go in this week's menu. So just to walk you really quickly through the recipes this week. So we're going to have for breakfast avocado and tomato toast. Then we're going to have like some mushroom and egg omelets. We're going to have mushrooms on toast, and we'll probably have avocado on toast a couple of times as well. For lunch this week, we're probably going to start off the week with some turkey wraps. I'm going to take this turkey. We're going to have these wraps here with these tomatoes sliced up. I already have mayonnaise in the fridge, and then I will throw in some rocket just to give it a little bit more greenery. And then for the next day's lunch, we're going to have a Greek chickpea salad. We're going to be using these chickpeas, some cherry tomatoes, calamari olives, which I didn't show earlier, as well as some red onion. And that's going to be kind of like this just very light, very Greek style chickpea salad, but of course no dairy. And then we're going to have egg salad, so we're going to use these eggs up. We've got some tuna as well, which I didn't show because we already had it, but I'm going to make some toasted tuna fish sandwiches. And then last but not least, we're probably just going to have like some bruschetta style for a lunch one day, so some toast with some chopped up cherry tomatoes, some basil, and some calamari olives. So that pretty much wraps up what we're going to have for lunch. And then for dinner, we're going to have the orzo with some asparagus with some courgette, with a little bit of lemon, some mushrooms, and just have like a really nice simple vegetarian dish. Then for this chicken, we're gonna have a grilled chicken Southwest rice bowl, kind of like a burrito bowl. So for the Southwest chicken bowl, we're gonna have some chicken, some peppers, some avocado, a little bit of the corn as well. And then we'll add in some red onion, which we already have in the fridge. Then we are going to have one pasta dish. So we already have the farfalle. Then we're going to add in some mushrooms and some caramelized onions and do like a white wine reduction sauce. I'm getting hungry just like going through everything that we're going to eat. And then on Thursday, we're going to have steak salad, which is the super easy. It is just steak with rocket, mushrooms sauteed in a pan with a nice olive oil and balsamic vinegar dressing, probably with a little bit of basil on top as well. And then we're going to round out the week of meals by having a chickpea curry. So we've got these chickpeas here and a little bit of coconut milk as well. Like I said, we already have the rice, and we might add some mushrooms in if we have any left over. Right, that is going to wrap up today's video. I'm going to just be really quick and try to finish and get everything put away. I've got George and Zoe sequestered to the bedroom while I'm just kind of quickly filming this. So like I said, I'm going to link some of the recipes down below in the description box, and I will also have a look at the receipt and let you know what this totaled up to, because it was pretty expensive, but I suspect it was because of the wine that we got. So yeah, this is what we're going to eat this week. We're keeping it very simple, super healthy, super clean, and very fresh. No roast chicken this week for sure. So thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.